Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can eliminate noise in a video by using CapCut. So I already add a video to my CapCut. So this video is actually has some noise on it and I want to reduce it. So what you need to do on CapCut is just click on the video and swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you find the reduce noise option. Click on that and click on the circle to enable the reducing noise feature on CapCut. And now it's in progress. You can just click on a check icon until it finishes. Okay, let's see the result. You can see now the noise is much better than before. It has been reduced by CapCut automatically. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope you can enjoy this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.